Good morning, viewers. When stripping paint, you don't need a heat gun. Oh no, you definitely don't need a heat gun when stripping paint. What you need is one of these. And here in this following video, I'm going to show you how to strip paint from a fireplace using a magnifying glass. So get the magnifying glass, get it ready. Now you don't need to do that, like the minute dots, that's too much. You can do it about there. And that's sufficiently enough. Now look at that, to heat it up. Strip the paint and try and get it as circular as you can. I mean, it's no good doing that. It's got to be a proper, like a proper shaped circle for the maximum power.